Over the next 8 videos, we're going to build a working MCP server on ServiceNow from scratch using the REST API tool. Then we're going to connect Claude to it so it can read and update incidents. In this first one, we're just getting the instance ready, installing the plugin, verifying that plugin's actually working, and setting up a scoped app to hold everything we build. If you want to follow along, then be sure to subscribe and check out the link for step-by-step directions and the scripts to copy and paste. Before we start, you'll need an instance on Australia Patch 2 or later, the Now Assist Admin Console plugin installed, and the admin role. The first step is to install the mcp-server plugin. For that, we'll navigate to Plugins under the All menu and search for the Model Context Protocol Server plugin. In my case, it's already installed, but you may need to install it on your instance. Next, we need to verify the installation. Navigate to the sys_service table by typing in sys_service.list and hitting enter in the filter navigator. Then search for MCP in the name column. You should see both the MCP-S and MCP-server records. Click on MCP-server and verify that the service endpoints related list has a record with the URL mcps-prod-default and is active. Then run a curl command on the mcp-server health endpoint to make sure the server endpoints are ready to go. If you get anything back other than a healthy response, something went wrong during your plugin install. If all this looks good, then you are ready to start building. As a good practice, we're going to start by creating a scoped app to hold everything we build. I'm going to start it in ServiceNow IDE, but you can choose your preferred environment. In IDE, I'm going to create the app, give it a description, accept a few default options, and finally, build and install so the app appears platform side. Then we need to make sure to select our app in the application picker on the platform side, since that's where I'll be working today. So at this point, your plugin is installed, we've verified it, and you've got your scoped app ready to go for the rest of this series. Next up, we're going to build the scripted REST API that our first MCP tool will call.